Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Home Decor Design Ideas. The main gate design plays a crucial role in determining the overall aesthetics of the house. The entrance of any place ought to be warm and welcoming. Also, a perfect modern main gate meets the needs of security, privacy, and style, all at once. So, while choosing the gate, you must consider design, materials such as iron, steel, glass, aluminium, and other technical aspects. In this video, we have listed the best main gate types and designs for you. Some of the best materials for a flawless main gate design are iron, steel, wood, and glass. These designs make the house beautiful, practical, and safe. The installation of a front gate has a significant effect on the overall value of a property. The main gate increases security by giving you easy control over home access. Additionally, the design of the main gate enhances the look of the house. So, no matter how fancy the house design is, if the main gate doesn't complement it, the overall aesthetics get hampered and suffer a setback. The main gate of your home is extremely crucial in terms of styling and securing your house. Besides being the gateway to your home, it also remains the style statement for the entry procession. While installing the main gate, you must carefully consider materials such as iron, glass, steel, or aluminium. Secondly, you must also remember that the main gate design of your house will look the best if it caters to all your security and privacy needs while amplifying the style quotient. There are so many options to choose from while installing your main gate. However, each house has a significant style of its own, and thus needs a unique main gate. The main gate is a long-term investment and you cannot change it easily. So, before taking the decision of choosing the perfect style, you will need the necessary information. Hope you enjoy watching it. If you like the video, give this a big thumbs up, share with your friend and family members. Stay connected with us and be the part of Home Decor Design Ideas.